If you are a Forex trader and you probably are a beginner and you just want to make some money, right? In this specific video, I want to give you the top 5 Forex trading beginner mistakes that you have to avoid. And more importantly, in this specific tutorial or video, I'm going to tell you what not to do if you want to be a successful Forex trader. All of these mistakes have been mistakes that I did in the past, and more importantly, that sometimes even I keep on doing them, and that's the reason why I have some drawback and I can really reach my financial targets on a certain week, on a certain day, because I fall into any of these 5 mistakes. So these are not mistakes that everybody just, I don't know, for some reason never do ever again, but you might end up making these mistakes, any of these mistakes again in the future. So make sure that you keep that in mind. Hi everyone, this is Christian here on YouTube and welcome to a brand new video for the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about the top 5 mistakes in regards to Forex trading. But if you're new to my channel and you're into binary options, Forex trading, crypto trading, or any type of making money online, then this channel is for you. Make sure you hit that subscribe button below and activate the notifications bell icon so that you get a notification for every new video that I upload. With that being said, let's jump into the video. There's one saying that is, when you fail to plan, you're planned to fail. And that's super important for point number 1, which is not having a trading plan when you are trading Forex. And when I'm talking about a trading plan, I'm not just talking about, hey, I want to be rich, I want a Lamborghini, I want a Ferrari, I just want a mansion, I just want a gold necklace. No, that's not a trading plan. A trading plan is basically studying the market before you start placing trades. Depending on what type of trader you are, if you're a scalping trader or if you're a day trader or even a swing trader, you do have to have an analysis on your market before you start placing trades. So having a trading plan will help you do that. And the way I recommend you to do or have a trading plan is basically analyzing the market 1 hour prior to your session starts. And what you need to do during this hour is basically analyzing the trends on the market. So if you're a scalping trader and what you're gonna find is just fast opportunities for 5, 15, 30 minutes for each trade, then I do recommend you to look at an hourly trade or hourly trend and see whether the price of the asset is going down or is going up or what's going on, even on a daily trend or 4-hour time frame, so that you understand where the price is actually going. And instead of placing trades going on the opposite of the trend, then you only place trades going on that specific trend. That's going to change your trading results by a lot. Okay, so let me just give you an example. If you're going to be placing trades for Euro USD and then you determine that is a downtrend, you're not going to place any buy position for scalping trader, because in the end the price is going to continue dropping like during the next probably few days if it's a downtrend on a daily chart. So therefore you're just gonna have to focus on the spikes and then the drops. Just to give you an example, I'm not jumping into any strategy right here, but just so that you have an idea as to what is my personal trading plan. So whenever I start my trading operations during the morning, basically what I do is that I write down on a notepad and I write what pairs I'm gonna be looking at and what direction I'm supposed to enter on each specific trade. So whether I'm using the indicator for the LWFX tool, I'm just trading manually, I'm just going to enter on the positions based on the trading plan that I had for the day. So that's super, super important. Whether you use the same trading plan or use a different one, make sure you have a trading plan. Otherwise, you're just gonna be blindly trading and you're gonna end up losing money. Mistake number 2 that we all do eventually at a certain point is overtrading. And what I mean with overtrading is, let's say for instance that you place already 5 trades today and you made 2 to 5% increase in your account, or let's say 1% increase in your account, depending on what your target is. And that's pretty much it. You got to your target, you made $100 or $10, $20, whatever it is that your target is. And then instead of stopping trading and continuing until the next day, you're like, okay, you know what? I can get to $200. I can increase 10% of my balance in one day. And then you start dreaming about what would happen if you're able to do it. And eventually you're gonna end up making thousands and thousands of dollars per day. And what you do is that you keep on trading. Now, sometimes you might end up making more money on that overtrading because you're lucky or because your analysis was good and the market conditions were good. But most of the times you're gonna end up losing money. And instead of having an increase of 1 to 2% on a daily basis, then you're having a decrease of 1%. You lose the money that you have made, and most of the times you end up losing money as well. So overtrading is one of the biggest mistakes. How can you control it? By also including the amount of trades or the amount of increase in your account in your trading plan. So therefore, on your trading plan, you have to have whether you lose 1% of your balance, then I stop, or I made an increase of 2% of my balance, then I stop as well. So based on that specific trading plan that you have is what is going to determine whether you should continue trading or not. And stick to the plan so that you can avoid that overtrading. Mistake number 3 that beginners make when they start Forex trading is not spending enough time in demo trading. And what I mean by this is that when you open your trading account, usually when you start trading, the first thing that you get is a demo account, right? At least 99% of the cases. So when you get a demo account, you usually get $1,000 to even $100,000 in a demo account so that you can practice as much as you can how to trade with Forex strategies. Now, the mistake that a lot of people make is that they don't play enough time on their demo account, or they don't take it seriously. So if they don't actually play enough time with the demo account, usually what happens is that they think that they're ready to jump into the real market, and they realize that they're not ready when they start losing money. So what you have to do is play enough time with your demo account. My suggestion is from 1 to 3 months on demo before you jump into real money. And the second part of this specific mistake is not treating your demo account as if it was your real account. And the problem with this is that you get the $100,000 account, even though your deposit is gonna be just $100. So look, there's nothing bad with trading with $100,000 account, but you're not gonna get realistic numbers as to how much money you can make with your real deposit, which is just gonna be $100. So my biggest recommendation is that when you open your demo account, you set it with the exact same amount that you're going to deposit into your broker with your real money. Therefore, you will be able to manage your real account the same way you're managing your demo, and the opposite, right? You start with your demo account with $100, and you're gonna be looking at realistic numbers as to how much money you could be making with your demo account and what mistakes you need to avoid with your real account as well, because you're trading with your real money. And treat it as it is. Treat it as a practice account. It's not a playing account, it's just a practice account. So what you need to do is practice. Enter the exact same numbers or the same lot size that you're gonna enter on your real account, and not just play around and see what would happen if I risk all of my money into one trade or something like that. Because you're not gonna do it, or you're not supposed to do that on your real account. So treat it as a real account and try it at least for 1 to 3 months until you feel 100% ready and mature mentally in order to use your real money into your account. The mistake number 4 that I see a lot of beginners do in Forex trading is scaling up your lot size too quickly. And what I mean by this is that, yes, you start with one micro lot or 1 mini lot, and you keep on making money and so on. But you're risking around 2% of your balance or trading account. And then when you start making money and you're really consistent and you have a good accuracy and you constantly increase your account, then you think that it's time for you to scale up your account. And what would happen, this is the biggest mistake, right? You imagine what would happen if you actually just increase or triple your trading account, your trading amount, and how much money you could make. And yes, it could be possible that instead of making $100 per day, you start making $300 per day. It is possible. But the problem is that it's a probability, it's a possibility more than a science. So instead of actually making sure that you're gonna make more money, you're gonna just put more risk into your account. Now, there's nothing wrong with scaling up with your account with the lot size, but the biggest thing that you need to pay attention to is the risk percentage. So if you focus on the risk percentage, then you're just gonna end up making money anyways, because in the end, you're gonna scale up your amount anyways, because in the end, if you have $100 and you're risking 2%, that means that it's only $2 that you're risking per every single trade. But once your account becomes $500, you keep on risking the 2%, and instead of risking that $2, now you're risking what? $10 per every single trade, and so on. $25 actually. Then what's gonna happen though is that you have to change your lot size, but you don't change it randomly. You just change it based on the risk percentage that you need to put in. Now, I do have a few videos as to how to manage risk percentage in my YouTube channel. So type risk percentage or risk management BLW on YouTube, and you're gonna be able to find my videos. I'm gonna try to link it somewhere in the card so that you can check it out. But going up too fast and without taking advantage or taking control over your risk management is what's gonna get you blow your account or lose all the profits that you've made. So make sure you keep that in mind. And mistake number 5, and this is gonna be controversial, that's for sure, but the mistake number 5 that I see a lot of people making is just following signals or just following alerts. And yes, you probably already know that I have a signals group and I have the BLWFX tool that provides you with alerts. And many people say, hey, I just want to depend on the signal. Just tell me where to trade and that's it. I just want to make money like that. And unfortunately, it doesn't work that way. Yes, you can get signals. Yes, you can get alerts. But if you don't actually learn and if you don't actually get some more knowledge, you're going to end up losing money. Regardless if it's the best signal service in the world, regardless if it's the best application in the world, you're gonna end up making money. You're not gonna end up making money because your lack of knowledge. Now, what type of knowledge is the one that I'm actually telling you? First of all, emotions control. Second of all, risk management. Third is trailing stop. 4 is reducing risk, and so on. I can continue and give you a whole list of things that you probably don't know at this moment because you just want to follow signals. So no, that's not the way it works. Yes, we provide you with signals and we provide you with alerts with the BLWFX tool, but that doesn't necessarily mean that you are not supposed to know anything in regards to day trading and that you're going to end up making easy money out of those signals. So don't just focus on it. Focus on knowledge as well. My biggest recommendation is that you actually go to blwtradingacademy.com and take my personal training where I teach you everything in regards to Forex so you can become an expert trader. So I hope these mistakes really get into your notebook and you write it down and put it in the postage right here and you learn everything in regards to day trading. So if you found value on the content of this video, make sure you smash the like button, and more importantly, if you have any questions, you can put them in the comment section below. And if you haven't subscribed to this YouTube channel and you want to see more videos just like this one, make sure you hit that subscribe button below. Thank you for watching this video and I'll see you on the next one.